In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Salesforce timeline view, a feature that can streamline your workflow by allowing you to customize how data appears on your platform. So let's dive right in and get started on transforming your Salesforce experience. First, open up your Salesforce and make your way to the homepage. This is your starting point, and from here you can access the settings to eventually modify your timeline view. Now, once you're settled on the homepage, the next step you're going to take is clicking on the pencil icon, often referred to as the settings icon. This step is pivotal because it opens the door to customization options. With the settings open, you'll see an option labeled Add More Items. Clicking on this option is key to enhancing your timeline view. By adding more items, you can tailor the information visible on your timeline to suit your specific needs and preferences. It's all about having the most relevant data at your fingertips. As you proceed, look for the option titled All. Clicking on All allows you to see a comprehensive list of available items that you can add to your timeline. This is a fantastic way to explore what other information can be displayed, ensuring that you're making the most of Salesforce's capabilities. By viewing all available items, you aren't limited by default selections and can personalize your display fully. If you have a specific item in mind that you want to add, Salesforce provides a search function. Use this to quickly locate the item you desire without manually scrolling through the entire list. This feature is a true time saver and ensures nothing valuable is overlooked. Following this, you'll want to highlight the items you find most important. Highlighting helps draw immediate attention to key pieces of information, making your timeline not only personalized but also optimized for quick reference. It's all about making your workflow just a bit smoother. Next, ensure you click on Add Nav Items. This action confirms the items you've selected to be added to your navigation pane. This step integrates your choices into your main timeline seamlessly, ensuring they are ready for your use. At times, you might find that there are items or apps cluttering your timeline, which you no longer need. The Delete option here comes in handy. By removing unnecessary items, you streamline your view and retain focus on the essentials. However, always double-check before deleting to avoid removing something important by accident. Finally, click Save to make sure all the changes you have made are not lost. Saving confirms and implements your newly configured timeline view. This action locks in your preferences and ensures that the next time you log in, your Salesforce will look and feel just the way you intended. And there you have it, a customized Salesforce timeline view that can revolutionize your efficiency and effectiveness. Say goodbye to information overload and hello to a more streamlined Salesforce experience. Thank you for watching and happy customizing.